Hi there. Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to stop kayak paddle from dripping. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So, let's dive in. If you are new to kayaking, you may not know about the importance of keeping your paddle dry. A wet paddle can cause your hands to slip, which can be dangerous. Therefore, most people wonder how to stop kayak paddles from dripping. As a solution to paddle dripping, drip rings become a simple device attached to the end of your paddle that catches any water that drips down from your hands. Using paddle drip rings is easy. Just attach it to the end of your paddle, and you're ready to go. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. What is exactly the kayak paddle drip? Number 2. The importance of minimizing paddle drip. Number 3. Different ways to stop kayak paddle from dripping. Number 4. Apply wax on paddle. Number 5. Nano-Technology coating. Number 6. Use paddle drip rings. Number 7. Low-angle paddling. Number 8. Use a flat blade design. Number 9. Extend the paddle shaft a little. And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.